artificial intelligence and its effect on the job market. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's becoming increasingly relevant in today's world: the impact of artificial intelligence on jobs. As we all know, technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. And one of the areas where we're seeing this the most is in artificial intelligence. AI is being used in a wide range of industries, from manufacturing to finance to healthcare. While it's bringing many benefits, it's also having a significant impact on the job market. One of the biggest concerns is that many basic jobs that require repetitive tasks, such as data entry or customer service, are now being automated. This means that people who have been working in these jobs for years are at risk of losing their livelihoods. But it's not just basic jobs that are being impacted by AI. We're also seeing the rise of smart machines that are able to do more advanced tasks, such as programming or data analysis. This means that even highly skilled workers are at risk of being replaced by AI. So, what does this mean for the future of work? Well, it's clear that people will need to upgrade their skills in order to stay competitive in the job market. This means investing in education and training to learn new skills that are in demand. It's important to remember that AI is not a threat to humanity, but a tool that can be used to improve our lives. However, as with any technological change, it will have an impact on the job market, and it's up to us as individuals and as society as a whole to prepare for it and make sure that everyone can benefit from it. You see it around you every day. You might not have noticed it, but it's been creeping in slowly but surely. Like, you go to McDonald's nowadays, you might just see one cashier and they have kiosks up in the restaurant where you sit there and you input your own order. Walmart, less cashiers, you're checking yourself out, scanning your own merchandise and paying right there. Just something to think about. Don't allow it to creep up on you where it can affect you and your family. You have to evolve with the change. I personally think that AI is a good thing and that it can benefit our lives and make our lives a lot simpler. You just have to pivot. That's all. But then that's just my opinion. But take it how you want to take it, and we all, like I say, we'll all have our own opinion on it. But again, thanks for your time and watching and supporting the channel. If you like content like this about AI and AI marketing or online marketing entrepreneurship, subscribe to this channel and I'll be here to inform you. Have a great day.